Hi, my name's Rianna Henry, blow dry expert and GHD stylist. Many of my clients ask me how to best enhance natural curly hair. Here are a few of my best tips. Firstly, the most important step is how you prep your hair. All of my curly haired clients, I recommend the lock method. Leave-in conditioner, oil and a cream. You can either use a leave-in conditioner to hydrate your hair and finger comb, or you can put a bit of your favourite conditioner into a water bottle and spray it down. Next is oil. Use your favourite oil, rub it between your hands, warm the product up, and then finger comb throughout your curls. And finally, apply a cream. You can either use a curly cream or a curl butter, rub the product through your hands and finger comb throughout your hair, the same way you apply your oil. Next step, you want to make sure that your hair is heat protected. I like to use the GHD Bodyguard spray. Spray it onto your hair, creating an invisible layer of protection between your hair and the heat. Once you've applied your product, you have the option of either finger combing your hair to distribute the product throughout your hair, or I like to use a detangling wet brush. Now here's for the fun bit, blow drying. I personally like the GHD diffuser attachment because I love the fact that you get air through the base but also through the nozzle. So it's great to blow dry your ends but to also blow dry your roots. When blow drying curly hair, it's really important to take your time and not rush. I personally like to blow dry on a low heat but a medium speed. My best technique is to tilt your head to the side, holding your hair dryer and your diffuser at the same angle. This then creates a more rounded and natural shape for your curls. And once your hair is dried, you have the option of either finishing with a nice shine mist or finishing with a little bit of oil and just running through your curls. And there you have it, my expert tips to achieve a natural curly blow dry.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.